Hey, so here's how you can get 8-digit backup code on your Instagram. So if you're trying to log in with your Instagram account from another device and you don't have access to your WhatsApp, phone number or email, then backup codes become very important. So let me show you. First, I'm trying to log in with my account. I enter my username. You can also use your email or phone number, then enter the password. Now on this page, Instagram asks for a verification code. So normally the code is sent to WhatsApp, but in this case, I don't have access to my WhatsApp. So the thing we have to do, go to try another way, and here we'll see 3 options: WhatsApp code, SMS code sent to your phone number, and backup code. So the main question is, how do you get the backup code? So in this case, if your Instagram account is already logged in on another phone or device, this is the easiest way. Just open up your Instagram on that device, go to your profile, tap on hamburger menu, open Account Center, and go to Password and Security. Then from 2-factor authentication, you have to select your Instagram account. Now under Additional Method, you will find this Backup Codes option. So here we'll see at least 5 backup codes. Just copy any of them. I go for the second one. Now enter that backup code and go for Continue. So as you can see, the account logs in successfully, but in your case, if your account is not logged in on any device, then you have only 3 options. Use WhatsApp code, use SMS code, or choose account recovery from here. So in account recovery, you have to submit your email address and completely identify verification like a selfie video. And Instagram will review your request and help you recover your account soon. And that's it. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.